close to the story I tell. It's the story of the living cell. With a cute sort of cheery about a real tough topic of the cell theory. All animals dancing bodies too are made of cells with different jobs to do. They're the basic unit of organisms. And oh, by now you got the rhythm. It started when the didn't go. Some cord cells take a look. He used the scope and took his time. Cause the cell is small and did a die, a die. Say 1, 2, 3, 4, are you ready for more? The animal cell has many parts. You gotta know each one by one. There's just one more thing. There's just one more thing. Like the fireman in the dell, the nucleus controls the cell. It gives the orders like a brain, and it's protected by different membranes. Around the cell they find another skin. The cell encloses the whole cell is, but its job is to cycle the flow down, and then the particles go in and out. Now please don't lose your silence with the answer. Listen to the story of the cytoplasm. All around the cell, this is beautiful. Nothing the nucleus is full of gold. And don't forget the old ribosome. This is a protein code. The golden categories are smaller or green. You need an electric microscope to see. And there's just one more thing. Just one more thing. Just when you thought you weren't having any fun, along comes the endoplasmic reticulum. These are the and the cell. Carries up to the membrane and back. Now have you ever seen any bones in a hole? In the cell they go back to walls. They fill in stuff like H2O. Later you put so the cells grow. Last of all, but not the very least, mitochondria, mitocellular beads. Now, my friend, you know it well, the unforgettable story of the living cell.